अनि सरप्राइज दिनलाई फादर्स डेको लागि यहाँ बसेछन् आमा अनि यहाँ गिफ्ट छ अनि छोडेछु तपाईँले ढोका खोल्नुहुन्छ अनि टक्क सरप्राइज सरप्राइज ह्याप्पी फादर्स डे ह्याप्पी फादर्स डे ह्याप्पी फादर्स डे गिफ्ट ड्याडी ह्याप्पी फादर्स डे
Thank you, Choro. Daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Budu.
Oh, wow.
For
You
being
guys-
lovely daddy.
You guys gave me a lot of...
What you are doing?
Wow, thank you, Choro. Yay.
Happy Father's Day, Budu.
Thank you, Buddy. Thank you so much.
You need to sit down and open your gifts.
बेबीले चाहिँ यहाँ अर्को बेबीलाई केयर गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ पुन्ते बेबीलाई
Time I sit is my joy to watch you plus Sabal, especially when you carry him around the hairs his head on your shoulder.
I just
You
love
make a great
team.
team.
बाबा चाहिँ तल
There are so many reasons to love you, but my favorite is getting to watch you to be an amazing daddy every day. Peace, love, and joy. Happy Father's Day. Thank you so much, Amma. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're
Much
so welcome.
Appreciate it, Amma. Okay. Lovely flower. Thank you. Love you guys. The daddy from baby. Ah. Babu, you gave me this one? Kun. Yay, Kun. Daddy, I know it's corny, but you are
Amazing.
amazing. Wow, botai. Corny. Plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. 2026, June 21st. Love you, Daddy. Wow, you are not just a... What is this? Brill? And a brilliant, Daddy. You are our constant, our calm, and our everything. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Baby, make that.
या बेबी मेरी
Yay! You made it. Catch it. Catch it. Difficult roads often lead to beauty. Wait. I wanna keep in my library. Mama, you guys are giving me so much, so I wanna keep in my library. Make a museum.
कार्ड म्युजियम
All you guys are giving me. Wow, this is from my beautiful lady.
I'm looking you
Surprise!
surprise बुन्टी
Best dad ever! Wow! Best dad ever! Number one dad! Number one. Happy Father's Day! Wow! यिनीहरूले
You have a
कार्डको
number
क्यारेट कार्डको गुणस्तर पनि बढा छन् के You guys increase the quality of the card. Happy Father's Day! The love of my life and amazing daddy of Choru. Watching you become the daddy, holding shovel first time, October 4, 2023. You are today has been one of the greatest joy of my life. Happy Father's Day, Budu. Love you more than you. Wow! So sweet, baby. मिठो लेख्न जाने छ उता आज भोलि त
लभ यु
कता सिक्यो है यति राम्रो राम्रो लेख्नलाई
राम्रो लाग्यो थ्याङ्क यू
Have a look.
हैन राम्रो दुई तीनटा कुराहरू त तिमीले एकदमै राम्रो लेखेछौ यार
Yeah.
Love
You
you.
like giraffes?
लभ यु लभ यु लभ यु
धेरै धेरै प्रगति भएछ क्या हो मेरो त
तिम्रो प्रगति भइरहेछ अझै धेरै हुँदै हुँदै जान्छ नि बुढो
वाह, यो त स्पेशल छ जस्तो छ है स्पेशल छ जस्तो छ स्पेशल छ जस्तो छ आई लभ ड्याड वाह ल हेर त बेबी वाह ड्याडी बाबु छोराको वाह वाह वाह
लाइक इट
Awesome, yeah, unexpected. I love that. I like this frame photo ever. Oh my god. दुईटै बाउ छोरा हाँसेको रहेछ नि त
अनि
Both are-
भाउजूलाई नहाँसेको कहाँ हुन्छ क्या फोटो
Both of us are smiling.
या
एउटा कोठा बनाउनु पर्यो यार मैले यी सबै कुराहरू
हामीले धेरै दियौँ क्या बुढो तपाईँलाई
धेरै दियो यार मलाई
तपाईँ धेरै पाउने खालकै हुनुहुन्छ
एउटा बिग रुम बनाउनु पर्यो यार यसको लागि मैले Another surprise. What a lovely. Wow. This is perfect.
We'll have to see if they fit.
या
Once more. Once more. Is this for me? What? Ah.
Yes, you do.
Wow. Ricky C. Doing this in-
Yeah, look at he's concerned about my red.
या आई नो आमा
Beautiful.
चित्त बुझे जस्तो छैन बुढोलाई
यो झन् मन पर्यो पाइट भन्दा यो मन पर्यो
आई गट ओके
Yeah, look at the giraffe
Thank you.
on his
Mon
thumb.
paraiko.
Thank you guys. Thank you so
Very
much.
good job.
Wonderful. कस्तो मजाको के
ओके
Thank you
You're
guys
welcome.
for making happy daddy happy के अरे Father's Day. Happy Father's Day special. You made me happy.
It's also the longest day of the year.
Stop.
Stop one
Open it.
Okay.
Did you red man?
Oh, there is gingerbread man.
Oh, there is gingerbread man.
Gingerbread man.
That's the gingerbread man shirt.
Yay.
We didn't think in that way, but he saw that draw. gingerbread man सर्ट बुढो ल नयाँ खालको सर्ट पाउनु भयो तपाईँले त्यसो भए त
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
के मन पर्यो रे
सबै मन पर्यो
वाउ लभ यु